So this is how you date and initial your session folders. It's really easy. Just either double click on the session folder itself, or you go to the little pen over here. It says edit. You click on that. And now you're in your session folder. So you click up here and you just add in your date and your initial. Come up here and click save. And there it is. So the reason why we have to date and initial the folder for each session that you have is so that the ADs and DHs know what specific day that session was held and which teacher did that session. Putting your initials on there means that you are the one responsible for everything that's in that folder. You taught the class, you entered the learning materials, you wrote up and assigned the homework, and you wrote the Genius charting. So just date and initial each session that you do, always.